Hello, this is Chris Maynor coming to you from the campus of Union University in Jackson, Tennessee. Let's take a quick look at our syllabus. There are some sections in the syllabus that I think are very relevant to our success in this course. If you take a look at the very first page, you'll notice some contact information, my office phone number, my cell phone number, and my email address. Let me go ahead and tell you that in the summer I am very rarely in my office, so probably not a good idea to use that campus number. If you do, you'll probably go to voicemail, and I may not get that for a while. If there is an emergency, if you really need to talk to me, you can always use my cell phone number. Probably the best way to communicate with me would be through email, particularly in a course like this where you have questions. I can probably answer them best through email. I can send diagrams. I can send attachments that may be helpful. So use the email address. Email me anytime you have questions or concerns. There are times during the week when I will not be able to access my email. On Tuesday nights I teach in Germantown, and then other times I may be on the road traveling, but usually I can get back to you fairly quickly. Also, if you look on the Moodle Rooms homepage for our course, right under the MBA banner at the top of the page, you will see a couple of forums called Class Announcements and Student Lounge. These are also useful communication tools. I will use Class Announcements to send out messages to the class as a whole. So probably every Monday morning you can expect a new announcement from me in the Class Announcements forum, just letting you know what to expect for the week, the topics that will be covered that week, and any special relevant information that you may need for that week. The Student Lounge is a forum that allows you, the students, to communicate with one another. You can ask each other questions. You can comment on the material that we're covering. You can gossip, whatever you want to do. The Student Lounge is for you to communicate with one another, and you can post prayer requests there, whatever you would like to do. So Class Announcements is the forum which I will use to communicate with you as a class, and the Student Lounge you can use to communicate with one another. In the next video, in the next segment, we'll talk a little bit more about the format and procedures for our course.